In this video, we will show you how to make a prepayment using your limited access code, formerly Express Login. Of course, all this information is confidential as you go through this process. First, go to the website cdtfa.ca.gov and at the top right, click on Login. That will take you to the Taxpayer Online Services portal. We will go down to Make a Payment, then click on the link that says Pay Sales and Use Tax, Returns, Prepayments, or Billings. That will take you to our new Online Services page, where there are two ways to make a prepayment using your Express Login. You can click on the Prepayment blue button, or, under the heading Limited Access Function, click the Make a Prepayment hyperlink. Either way, you'll be directed to the prepayment page. Two things to remember. You don't have to file a return to make a prepayment, and if you had no taxable sales, you are not required to make a prepayment. On the prepayment screen, you will have the option to make your prepayment online or print a prepayment voucher. If you are a mandatory EFT filer, you must pay online. For this example, we're going to select Make November Prepayment, due December 24th. Next, you'll have two options on how to log in to make a prepayment. Choose account number and limited access code, which used to be your Express Login. Or you can also log in with your customer ID and account number. We will use option 1, account number and limited access code. Fill in your account type, account number, and limited access code before moving to the next page. Next, you will select your payment method, either checking or savings account, or credit or debit card. We will select checking or savings account. Now you'll be taken to the period payment screen where your account number will be listed, and you'll have a drop-down screen to choose the bank account type. This is where you enter the banking information and payment amount. Next, review your payment information, and if everything is correct, click Submit and you'll be at the Declaration of Intent screen. It will ask you for your email address twice. That serves as authorization. You will not receive confirmation. This will act as your confirmation, and your email will act as your signature. Click OK, and you will be taken to the confirmation page, which gives you a confirmation number and summary of your payment submission. If you would like to print this screen for your records, use the Printable View button. Once you leave this screen, you will not be able to return to it. Also, make sure you verify on your bank statement that the payment was successful. If you still have questions, please call our customer service center at 1-800-400-7115.